Chicago Clinic, strategies to reduce employee turnovers. Hiring the right candidate, establishing the right interview questions, finding the right person for the job, allowing candidates to shadow the team they will be working with, receive feedback from the team member they shadow with. When interviewing, be transparent with job expectation. Management, need to coach their employees. Managers need to have better relationship with their employees. Employees need to feel that their managers support them. Employees need to feel trusted by their employer. Establishing better communication. Having the open door policy for all employees for any concerns or idea. Advancement, room for employee growth. Training, career advancement and free education to advance within the company. Promotions, increase the mentors within the company so that employees feel more supportive if they have someone to go to. Motivation, motivate employees by acknowledging their hard work. Choosing a employee of the month. Leads need to make sure to verbally let employees know when they do a good job. Giving gift cards to all employees that go above and beyond. Benefits and pay. Raise pay on all employees. Give yearly bonuses to employees based on the percent of how they do overall on getting the patients to do everything on their health maintenance. If patients' health maintenance percent is high, the company will be able to afford it and still have a budget of $120,000. It basically pays for itself. Paid vacation, match 50% on 401k. Bonus for every referral that stays within the company for more than 90 days.